Hello all, I'm going to show you how to make a stop motion video. So here is our stop motion animator app. You'll see here, and I'm in the little box in the corner. It is a front-facing camera on your Chromebooks, so you're going to have to record the table in front of you. So you're going to maybe pull your screen down so that you only see the table or whatever is in front of you. So you're going to have your Chromebook on a surface. Now you're going to have modeling clay, and modeling clay can be manipulated in coils, in spheres, and any other shape that you want. So when you think about what you want to create, you can create it with modeling clay or with little characters that you have around the house. So these little characters, I can't change the shape of them because this is the shape that they are, but I can have them move on their own. Obviously, I'm moving this right now because I'm not capturing a picture. To show you first what it looks like to just move an object without holding it, you're gonna move the object and then either press capture or press the space bar. Now my arms are in here, so I might want to take a step to the side of my computer. I will press the space bar and it'll take a picture. I'm then going to move the object a little bit at a time, and when I move it, you'll see on the screen there's what we call an onion skin, and the onion skin shows a shadow of where the shape was before. Get your hand out of there and take another picture. Move it a little bit, get your hand out, take a picture, and you're going to keep moving it, taking your hand out and taking a picture. And I'm talking a tiny bit at a time. If you move it way over here, you'll see when I show you, it's going to look like it either moved really, really fast or it's going to look like a mistake. Oh, my hand was in that last picture. Can you see? I didn't mean to have that in there. So I can press undo and go back to the one previously. So I might have to move my little character. And this is going to take me a little bit of time, right? So I have to be slow and patient and think about how an object or character or my clay might move. And if I'm not taking my time, I'm going to leave a picture in there with my hand. So let's see how that looks so far. So obviously, I'm going to press play and stop so that I can see what my video looks like. And you'll see there where it jumps, it looks like there's pieces of it that are missing. But with the rest of the video, it looks really smooth because I moved it only a little bit at a time. So this is how to create a video of an object that moves on its own. I'm going to show another video of how to make an object change its shape.